Well, we're at Dauphin Island today. The wind is blowing, so we have white caps in the distance and waves coming in. And our hosts are right now this couple of seagulls. And what kind of...
I think they're called laughing gulls.
Laughing gulls are here to greet us. So I'm going to walk toward them. They may fly away. So if you need pictures of seagulls for a work that you're doing, here you go. Well, they don't seem to be bothered by us at all. Now, if you were painting the sand in this dune, look at your shadows and look at the direction that the waves are coming in. We are looking out into the Gulf of Mexico?
Yes.
Yay, Gulf of Mexico. Oh, look at these guys. It's like they want to say, now that's kind of a nice composition. That would be interesting. I can't believe I can get this close to these little fellas. Well, that's great. I think they are very photogenic. So we'll leave these guys now. I'll be quiet for a minute and let you listen to the wind and the waves. Well, he'd had enough of us. See you soon.